Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to create a purchase order, an easy and accurate way to manage your procurement process, all within the Invoice Create module. Step 1. Start by clicking on the Invoice Create module from your dashboard. Step 2. Next, select BizDocs from the available options. Step 3. To create a new purchase order, choose Purchase Order from the drop-down list. Step 4. Begin by entering your seller details, including phone number, email ID, address, PIN code, and state. Step 5. If the ship from address is the same as the seller's, tick the checkbox, same as seller details. Step 6. Click Save and Next to move forward. Step 7. Now select the buyer from your ledger. Fill in the buyer's phone number, email ID, address, PIN code, and state. Step 8. If the ship to address is the same, just tick Same as buyer details. Step 9. Click Save and Next to continue. Step 10. In the Purchase Order Details section, fill in all the mandatory fields like reference number, reference date, dispatch mode, payment terms, and freight terms. Once filled, click Save and Next. Step 11. Choose a product from your product list. Fill in the required product fields, then click OK to add it to your purchase order. Step 12. If your purchase order involves a round-off amount, select the round-off ledger and click OK to include it. Step 13. Once everything is complete, click on Save Purchase Order. Then, click Print to view and download the purchase order PDF. Step 14. To view your past records, click the History button and select Purchase Order from the drop-down. Step 15. Here, you can view, edit, or delete your purchase orders as needed. Click the down arrow beside any entry to see detailed product information. And that's it. Your purchase order is now created, complete, accurate, and easy to manage with Intelligere. Creating a sales order has never been this simple. With automated fields, smart ledger integration, and easy editing options, Intelligere helps you streamline every step. Start generating professional sales orders today, only with Invoice Create. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.